this is the cross, the sign of the cross, you know. You par it. Now, if the opponent strike down, you see the movement, it's look like a cross, cruzada. You know, every time that the opponent will strike, you are there ready, you block. At the same time, the dagger is the one parrying the attacking weapon of the opponent. You see, like that. See, if the attack to the head, the same also if you do like this, so that you have the axis, either you strike or either you disarm with your short stick, you know. That's why we call it cruzada style. Anywhere that your opponent will strike, you are there to block at the same time. Your short stick will be the one to maneuver. I'll move this, you know, I parry at the same time I cut the hand of the opponent. You see that? If the opponent strike down, you see, I strike this and I parry with my short stick, wing outside. You see, okay, like that, strike down. See, anywhere that the opponent will strike, see, you are there all the time. See, it's one more, so that you will see. You see, the movements. You see that? That is, see, you do like this, oh. See, that is the way the cruzada. If you are going to do it, it will be signed like this all the time. See, the movements slow. See, again. I'll move the zero, the same also. If I will block the forearms of the opponent or the arm blades of the opponent, you know, or the stick. If there's a strike, you could block also like that. Parry it outside. Here, if the strike down, it's all the same. You should block it here or block it there. If you block the forearms of the opponent at the same time, help with the short stick, parry it outside. Now, if you climb it, bring it towards you. This is disarm. You see? Now, it's also the same down here. Oh. I block this, at the same time, I short stick to the right. You see the movements? Now, if they strike again, down, see, oh, you are there only one style. You know, if you know more than this, you know, figure it, you make combination by yourself. Now, like for example, side by side, see? You see? That's how, here also, that is the same, that is banda also, you see? Anywhere that you do like that, that's banda. You see? See, that is banda. Anywhere that your opponent will attack, see, oh? Because you know how to do it. But they make the combination of banda to cruzada style. You know, but it's in the middle. See, they make it cruzada. See, that is the cruzada. Now you come back. You see? The same technique here, oh? And you come back. See, the same technique here, oh? See, the same technique here, oh? Very good. Now, this is the way that you will use it, your espada. There are many kinds of combination. Like this also espada dagger with angati style. See, they are do like that, see? See, start, same, I look like that, see? That is the movement, start, see, I will not give a chance. See, attack, see, even to close, see? I move the pan, attack. See, this is the way that you do it. See? Attack down, see, the movement, see? See? Now, if you do this, you know, now, we're going to have first to study how to make it 1 to 5. Okay? 1, the movement, see, this is 1. First, you must study how to parry. You know, trust me, all the way. See, go across. I move only like slightly, you know, to the left. You know, the attacking weapon of the opponents, they're ready. Now, if I'm very fast, I do like that, I just will be disarmed. You see? Because I know how to oblique. You see? I parry outside. At the same time, I disarm it. I change position so that they will say, trust me, I move here, oh, you see? I move going to the right. At the same time, I bring it towards me. And this is the sharp of the blades. I do like that. That is number 2. Number 3, see that? Because Lee knows how to do it. You know, that's the key there. Now, I want you to learn first, you know, cut me. Now, steady in that position, cut down. Now, cut again. You see, anywhere, cut again. Cut again there. You there, cut again. Or anywhere that you will do your attack, see? You know how to do it. Thrust, I cut Lee. There. Now, I'll thrust Lee. Steady first. See? And they cut me also. Now, they poke me here, I'll cut there. Now, I'll poke there, they will cut me. Now, they, see? Now, that's the way, the motion, see? Once that you know how to play, you know, you see? See, anywhere now, see? Oh, see? Slow, so that they will say it, slow. See? Oh, good, you see? How to make the cutting, see? Oh, see? But this one, you know, because I have so many follow-ups, I will move this right away, you see? I disarm this with my my body, you know, because I know how to do it, you know. Now, cut again, thrust again, see, I move this, so you see, the movements. This one,